So here we have the bumper lights from American Modified. We're going to install these lights into the bumper on a 2017 Ford Raptor, and we will be wiring and then installing those lights. First began by identifying which wire is which in the wiring harness that comes out of the back of the driver's side headlight lamp. Looking from the top down where it clips in. This is where it clips into the headlight itself. So looking down, the wire all the way to the right is going to be your directional for the driver's side. The third wire here from the right, that is going to be your DRLs. The LED DRLs are on the outside of the headlamp, the blue ones. This brown wire here, the brown stripe, that is going to be your headlight. And then the last wire here, the black and yellow, that is the ground in the harness. So I've just used quick connectors to dock onto those wires. And now we will install the light and hook up the lights. So installing the lights is very simple. They simply just push into the bumper. Like so. As you can see, the lights just snap into the bumper. And the same process for installing the bumper light into the passenger side of the truck. You see the connector dangling down. We'll just route some wires, connect them up. So here are the lights hooked up with the DRLs. The lights hooked up with the headlights. You can see there is a slight color change. And with the turn signal, the color changes to an orange amber and works with those. And that will complete the install.